Some of the best essential oils to boost hair growth are lavender, peppermint, rosemary, cedarwood, ylang-ylang and thyme. These oils have a long history of use in treating the hair and scalp, especially in the Middle East where it has been used for centuries. This unique natural treatment has been used to treat hair loss, especially in the Mediterranean region where the area is known as Hair Valley. Lavender is one of the finest natural treatments, for it is used both in the treatment of burns and hair loss. It is considered a baldness remedy because it is highly effective and it has the unique property of producing hair growth with no effort on your part. Lavender oil has a stimulating effect on the scalp, relaxing it and promoting hair growth. Peppermint is used to stimulate hair follicles to produce new hairs. It works by irritating the hair follicles and stimulating them to produce them with the aid of histamines. Histamines are produced by bacterial activity and when applied to the skin surface, they become anti-inflammatory. You apply peppermint oil to the scalp, massage it in for several minutes and then wash out the oil. When you massage thyme oil onto your scalp, you will find that it has the effect of relaxing the scalp and producing new hair. By balancing the oil-producing glands in the scalp, cedarwood essential oil is thought to encourage hair growth and minimize hair loss. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can be used to treat a variety of conditions that cause dandruff or hair loss. Enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help the channel. Although those with oily hair and skin should avoid this, ylang-ylang oil will stimulate sebum development, making it suitable for those with dry scalps. Since hair becomes dry and brittle due to a lack of oil and sebum, ylang-ylang can improve hair texture and reduce hair breakage. Rosemary is an effective remedy for hair loss in that it increases the number of hairs produced. It is one of the best remedies for hair loss because it is an antioxidant. It is especially effective in improving hair and scalp condition, as it improves blood circulation to nourish the existing hair and the scalp. The more blood you have flowing, the healthier your hair will be. Aloe vera has a great reputation for its healing effects on the skin and hair. It is an excellent remedy for hair loss because of its healing action on the scalp. It is also an excellent treatment for burns because it has the ability to eliminate bacteria. It is especially effective in treating the infected areas on your scalp. It has antibacterial qualities which makes it highly beneficial in the treatment of hair loss. Are you suffering from hair loss? What essential oils or home remedies have you tried? Let us help others by sharing your experience.